3, 2, 1, go. Hello guys, and welcome to a new video of Digit Fox World Informatics. Today in this video I'm going to show you a website and I'm going to provide you with the link. This website is called Bitbunkers and is part of a Bitcoin project. So first of all, a very quick introduction, what is a Bitcoin? And I invite you guys, if you want to educate yourself about Bitcoins and so on, you can also read it on Wikipedia as I'm taking this information from this source. So Bitcoin is basically a cryptocurrency invented in 2008 by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto, and started in 2009. When its implementation was released as an open source software. It is a decentralized digital currency without a central bank, so there are no involvement of any central bank or intermediary central banks deciding what to do or not what to do, or single administrator that can be sent from user to user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries, and this is great. Transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public disrupted ledger called a blockchain. And I would like also to invite you, if you want to educate yourself about the blockchain, in Wikipedia you can find everything which is related to. A Bitcoin is of course a cryptocurrency, and a cryptocurrency, I would like also to invite you to educate yourself. Everything is written on Wikipedia. We can do this very short introduction just in order to show you the Bitbunkers project. So a cryptocurrency is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange where an individual coin ownership records are stored in a ledger existing in a form of computerized database using strong cryptography to secure the transaction records, to control the creation of additional coins, and to verify the transfer of coin ownership. It typically does not exist in physical form like paper money, and is typically not issued by a central authority. However, there are some speculations that some central banks around the world are working or starting to work in projects to basically eliminate all the paper money. There are speculations, there are rumors that those central banks are initiating to this kind of projects to create their own cryptocurrency. So we will see then in the future if this will come true. In the meantime, the most famous cryptocurrencies are of course Bitcoins. There are several others, like Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, Ripple, Zcash, Stellar Lumens, and so many others that you can find, of course, on the internet. Guys, just keep in mind that this is not any recommendation to buy or invest in cryptocurrencies. This is just a short video demonstration which would like to introduce you to this Bitbunker project. Let's go then to bitbunkers.com. I'm going to show you the link that you have to digit on your web browser. It works much better with the Chrome browser. However, I tested it with Firefox and in another browser, and it's working perfectly. So, but they recommend to use Chrome. I'm gonna leave you that to you guys. So this is basically the URL that you have to digit: www.bitbunkers.com. And then you can put it on the browser, or you can put it in here and Google it. This is it. And this is how the site looks like. As you can see, you can choose between a low, medium, or high views. Low, medium, and high. We went for high to have a better view of the site. So this is how the website looks like, Bitbunkers. And this is how it works. Basically, the individual transactions rain down from the sky as metallic spheres that have different colors and sizes depending on the amount of the money. The majority of the spheres are small and red, but there are also large ones like green, blue, and so on, which indicates amounts under 1 Bitcoin. The legend that you can see here, white, in the lower area, shows you the highest and lowest amounts for the current session. The 3D view can be rotated freely with the left mouse button pressed. In addition, you can select individual spheres, then the exact Bitcoin value is displayed on the side under value. So this is how it looks like. Like for instance, this sphere, we're gonna check this sphere, let me see, this one, okay. And this is the value which in Bitcoins that is related to that sphere, so 3.973 BTC. That's the value, and the time, the size, and so on, the inputs. You can also enlarge the view if you like to have a better view. As you can see, we are checking now the value of this transaction. Here we go, here's the value, 5.991123 BTC. The outputs, different outputs. Here comes a huge transaction, and so on. So when someone sends Bitcoin, the transaction is verified and then stored on the blockchain, the shared database. The information on the blockchain is encrypted. Everyone can see it, but only the owner of each Bitcoin can decrypt it. Each owner of Bitcoin is given a private key, and this private key is how they decrypt their Bitcoin. Like for instance, this big transaction, this is the value in Bitcoins. You can see that the fee, the size, the time, inputs. So as you can see, this cube falling down from the sky, according to them, the cubes represent the last block from the blockchain, which are mined on average every 10 minutes. The size of the block is determined by the total BTC value transacted with the scale down to 1/8, so they don't dominate too much. And all those Bitcoin transactions keep falling down from the sky, represented as this spheres. Spheres, and of course cubes, which is the last block from the blockchain. Interesting, isn't it, guys? So this was the video of today from DigitFox World Informatics. If you enjoy watching this video, just like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more interesting videos about informatics, finance, and many other topics here on DigitFox World. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time, guys. Bye for now.